Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how Euro USD, USD CAD, USD CHF and USD JPY has moved in the last week and how these forex can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of Euro USD, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall, but it is moving in a descending order but slowly in the downside. Okay, and if you look at this chart, what we have seen, a swing is formed at this particular level and from there we have seen it is continuously in the downside. So what we can see for the next week, before we move forward, I'll explain you where it can go. If you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also I have given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if this level didn't sustain, which is a higher probability, we can see it can move further down towards a level of strong support of $0.95109, because what we can see, a green candle is forming here, as you can see. So if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $0.96496, and then from there, if that level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $0.95388. Okay, and once the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can move further low and can touch a strong support of $0.93542, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $0.90539. okay, and then further down the price fall below that level. But suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain above this particular level, then we can see it can move towards a level of $10056, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $1.0425. okay, and if the price move up that level, then there is high chances that we can see it can go further upside, okay, towards a level of $1.06833. okay, now if we talk about USD CAD, what we have seen, it is moving in this particular zone but in a range, okay, and the range high is around $1.46633, which is a weak resistance. So probability is high, if the price comes close to this level, then we can see it can move further upside. So now it is currently trading at around $1.36436. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1.3796, and if the price move above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1.40075, and this particular level is a weak resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can move further upside towards a level of $1.41946, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $1.43559. okay, and if the price move up that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $1.46653, which is a weak resistance, so probability is high, we can see it can move further upside. But once the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can come down again towards a level of 1.35, and then from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of $1.31037. okay, so you have to keep this in mind. If the price fall below this particular support, a level of 1.33849 we can see, and from there we can see a next support towards $1.31993, and if that, then there is a probability of touching $1.29287. okay, about USD CHF. See, USD CHF, if you look at, we have seen a swing forming at this particular level and it is trying to move upside. So if this level sustain, there is high chances that we can see it can go towards a level of $1.01570, and if that level sustain, then we can see, because most of the resistance are already being tested here, so chances will be very high. If that level sustain, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $1.0633, and then further high, because all these levels, if you look at these resistance, these are all being tested here, so probability is high, we can see it can cross this particular range and can go further upside. okay, or if this level didn't sustain, what we can see, if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down further low towards a level of $0.98887, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $0.9864. okay, and if the price move below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $0.98064, and if that level also didn't sustain, then it can come down again to a level of $0.97545. okay, and if the price move below that particular level, a level of 0.96513 will be there, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of $0.95069. okay, and from there we can see it can move in this particular zone till the time it does not break it. Now we talk about USD JPY. As we have seen lot of thing as is happening in USD JPY. It is continuously in the uptrend. Okay, it has already made a half around $151.996, and from there we have seen it has come down towards a level of $147.641. Okay, now suppose if this level sustain, what we can see, there is high chances that it can, if it goes above a level of 152, we can see it can touch a level of $153.5, and from there we can see a level of 157, because there is high chances that this level has not come since 30 years. So probability is high, we can see it can move further upside if the price goes up that level. Okay, but as you can see, there is huge volatility, and the strong support we can see is coming at around $146.114. Okay, this is the strong support. So once this level comes to this particular level, bounce back towards an upside, so there is high chances it can go towards again to a level of $151.76, and then it can go further upside. But suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down towards a level of $146.114, which is a strong support. So we can see a bounce back from this level, or if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $143.526, and from there we can see it can move further low, and there is high probability it can go towards a level of $139.621. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail IDs on the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.